Right, Soldier Love, I never was some fun. I knew Soldier Love through Gaza Empire. Gaza Empire is a very close friend of mine. Now I'm Ziara Pana, I understand we are watching. There's one thing Chandani San I also about his voice. I'm going for a tower is over it. She tower, I'm going to tower. I'm going to say, I'm going to say, vanotaurisa vanhu vanondiziva vanondiona vanotaurisa ini ndatotaura vanhu ndakuti murisebva. All I'm saying is Sim Danso was a game changer. Was akapinda seko yanga ina na Winky D vachinetsa nani vari well promoted and what but akapinda adi solo. Even when Changara chimpinza game, he made sure that akaita style yake achipinda. I think achinoza ndaranduda kuti style yangu because munhu akakura achirwadziwa neupenyu hwake. Saka ida kuti upenyu hwemunhu wese papa munhu wese ari padhuze naye uite ball. No weakness yanga inayo kuti kana uri padhuze naye things should be well. Things should be well. But I just want to say to my nigga, go well. I'm so what's on I end at a tender age because then you tell us about like an assumed man in a winky team. Paresia so Pongoshimaya and Garipopa touch line. But to a fool, but you are always there because a Panamagata collaboration as Soldier Love. Your song is stuck with a hit. If you wanted your things to go well, if you take that nigga, and he used to tell me how he used to do his things.